We are making this healthy chocolate cake that uses no maida or refined sugar, but it's so delicious. These are all the ingredients for the cake. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and let's get started. First, grease and line a 6-inch round pan with some baking paper and set it aside. Then to your whole wheat flour, add in the cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and salt and mix it all up. Then to your water, add in the instant coffee powder and mix it in. In another big bowl, take the jaggery powder, dahi or yogurt, buttermilk, coffee water, oil. You can use any oil like olive oil or coconut oil, and the vanilla and mix it all up. Then add in the dry ingredients and just give them a mix until the dry ingredients are incorporated, but do not overmix the batter. You might have some lumps, which is completely okay, and then you're going to pour the batter in your prepared pan and bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 30 minutes, but make sure you do not over bake it. A toothpick inserted in the center should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Then let the cake cool completely before removing it out of the pan. Now we're going to make our chocolate sauce or our frosting, and these are all the ingredients. So you're just going to add some honey and cocoa powder and mix it all up. And make sure it's all smooth and there are no lumps in the frosting, and then you're just going to pour it onto your cake and spread it out evenly. And that's it, your chocolate cake is ready to be served. Nobody would even know this is a healthy chocolate cake. It's so dark and rich and moist, as you can see here. If you want a guilt-free dark chocolate cake that has healthier ingredients than just pure maida and sugar, you do need to try this out. I really do hope you give this a try. Make sure to subscribe for new recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever I upload, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!